The race is on to create the world's most advanced humanoid robot. But there's still a long way to go when it comes to bots performing basic human functions, like this one essential skill. Anyone who thinks robots are going to take over, it's hilarious, said Australian Cobotics Center Director, Professor Jonathan Roberts. Getting through a door is actually one of the hardest things to get robots to do, he said. It sounds ridiculous, but because you've got a door and it's got a door handle, it's actually hard for a regular robot. The same goes for lifts, when robots try to press the buttons. The challenge has been so great, the US-based Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency even held competitions to see which companies could build robots to make it through a door. It was all about humanoid robots doing things like going into imaginary factories or nuclear disasters and sending them in to turn off valves, Prof. Roberts said. One of the challenges was opening doors, and it's just ridiculously difficult. You see these multi-million-dollar robots kind of getting up to the handle, missing it, and then just falling over backwards. In fact, whenever someone asks whether robots will take over the world, Prof. Roberts tells them, well, not this year, but the technology is still in its early stages. Existing robotic solutions are perfect for highly repetitive tasks, so that's why robots are currently used in things like manufacturing, she said. She said the industry was working on building robots with the capacity to react and respond in real time, while operating in unstructured environments. When we talk about the future of robotics, what we obviously want is for robots to do more things, Dr. Camus said. They need to operate in an environment where you can't really predict everything that's going to be happening. You need to be able to provide enough feedback to the robot so that it can make decisions on how to perform a task or what to do next.